Over the next 30 minutes, in his first interview with international media since 2012, we're going to hear how he found a recipe for success, the future for his global companies, and what he thinks about China. The majority of Li's assets are in two companies, CK Hutchison and Cheung-Kong Properties. Cheung-Kong is the Cantonese word for the Yangtze, China's longest river, and it is more than just a name for Li.
呢個 Yangtze River
點你解釋啊？
就長江咧，點解能夠成為長江咧？就係你咧咩水嚟到你都可以吸收，你都 welcome。
Yeah。
所以你做生意，因為我自己咧。當我22歲做生意嘅時候，
yeah.
我表面係好謙虛，但裏邊好拋，
yeah.
唔係咁好。所以我自己勸誡自己，做個名長江，你要做到長江咁大嘅水咧，你一定要謙虛，一定要吸收其他水嚟。
你好似長江，
我就想間公司咧有成就。但係我經營嘅風，
我哋入去。
你請坐。多謝晒你，多謝，
真係多謝晒你。
多謝。